Hello traders and welcome po for our live trading session for today. Again, this is Paul Joseph Mendoza or Paul Mendoza, your trading analyst for today. So again, before we start, let me know if you can hear me well. Please type 1 na lang po sa ating live chat box. Session for today. Hello, Eman Kadiwa. Thank you for commenting one. So I guess pwede na po tayo magsimula. Hello, I am Abik. Thanks for commenting one as well. All right, so before we begin, let me just read the disclaimer first. Hello, Mod Nasri. Thank you for commenting one as well. Okay, so before we begin, any opinion, news, research, prices, analysis, or other information discussed in this webinar or link to this presentation are provided as general market commentary and do not constitute investment advice. So again, I am not a financial advisor, and what we are doing is just the general market commentary. Or dito po sa Octa, shine-share lang po naming mga analyst yung tingin po namin na kung ano po yung possible o yung probable reaction ng price action sa economy in a whole, or kung ano po yung nakikita nating mga trading ideas na pwede nating i-take for this coming week. All right? And of course, as usual, before we begin on our um, trading session, let me just again invite you to please join our Telegram channel. So kung hindi nyo pa po nagagawa, you can freely subscribe on our Telegram channel. Makikita nyo po yung link sa description box. So again, ito po yung itsura ng ating Telegram channel, and inside this channel, makakatanggap po kayo ng trading ideas as well as market updates katulad po nito, as well as trading quiz. So paminsan-minsan po merong mga trading quiz. Pwede po kayong mag-participate sa mga quizzes na binibigay ni Octa. So dito po magkakaroon tayo ng new knowledge, of course, kung depende sa quiz na ibibigay nila. So last time nagpa-quiz po sila about technical analysis. Okay? So this joining in this channel will give you a lot of information as well as economic calendar katulad po nito. So kapag po may bagong update, kayo po na nasa loob ng channel yung unang-unang balita o makaka-update. And then of course, announcements. So kapag may mga announcements or kapag may mga important news and events si Octa, katulad ng mga bonus, mga deposit bonus. So dito po sa channel na to, nagkakaroon ng update yung mga subscriber. Okay, so ilan lang po yan sa mga pwede po ninyong ma-enjoy kapag nag-subscribe po kayo sa Telegram channel ni Octa. And keep in mind na ito pong Telegram channel na to is dedicated po siya para sa ating mga Filipino. Okay? And speaking of, or before anything else, so again, if this is your first time joining this webinar with me or this live trading session with me, again, my name is Paul Joseph Mendoza, or you can call me Paul. I am a professional Forex trader with more than 5 years of experience. I am a trading coach and an analyst. My specialties are pullback and trend trading, especially trend continuation trading. So, kung nakapanood na po kayo ng webinar ko in the past, so tinuro ko po kung paano gawin ito. Yung personal trading strategy ko po is pinag-usapan po natin yan dito sa channel ni Octa. And I also taught traders how to manage their money and find their trading style. So I also have an experience of assisting a startup trading desk. I also have the experience of managing the funds of my private investors in the past. Okay? And speaking of deposit bonus, so you may use my promo code, which is PaulJM100. So what you just need to do is open the Octa Trading app or visit our official website. Go to your profile, find the promo code section in the menu, then enter the promo code and press activate. Again, the promo code is PaulJM100. then make a deposit and enjoy your bonus. All right. So having said all of those things, let's just or let's start with our session for today. So beginning with, of course, the economic calendar or kung ano po yung mga mangyayari pa po mamaya. So ito pong mga nasa taas is mga nangyari na po yan kanina. So as usual, we will just focus sa high impact news. So later, meron pong high impact news sa Canadian dollar, which is BOC monetary policy statement. And then we also have BOC interest rate decision. So ang forecast is 5%. Then we also have, para naman po sa US dollar, we have S&P Global Manufacturing PMI. Ang forecast is 47.9. Then we have Global Services PMI. Ang forecast naman is 51. Then we have sa Canadian dollar ulit at a different time. So ito pong ito pong mga to na binanggit natin is 10:45. Okay? 10:45 PM later. And then at 11 PM, masusundan siya ng BOC Monetary Policy Report ng Canadian dollars again, as well as BOC press conference. Alright? Hello, Hussein Enox. Hello, Jayan Sosa, as well as acquaintance. Thank you for joining us for our today's live trading session. Okay? So having said these things, so let's start with our charting session. So as usual, we will start with the DXY. So before we start, again, let me just emphasize on this. So marami pong nagtatanong kung paano po ako nagtitrade on my personal view on the market. Again, what I am looking for is the trend. Okay? So to start trading, what I am looking for is the trend. And then, kapag nakakita po ako ng structure na katulad nito, so base po sa ating mga previous webinar, ang tawag po natin dito is 1, 2, 3 pattern. Okay? For an uptrend. Kapag downtrend naman, ang itsura ng 1, 2, 3 pattern na hinahanap natin is ganito. Okay? Then, kapag nagkaroon po tayo ng pattern or nakahanap tayo ng tradable pattern such as this one, so what we are waiting is for the price to pull back into its previous resistance. Okay? Because this previous resistance may turn into support. Kapag downtrend, we are waiting for a pullback sa previous support because this previous support could turn into resistance. Okay? Then, after the price pullback into this area, then this is where we are putting our trades or dito po tayo naghahanap ng trades for a possible continuation. Kapag downtrend, naghahanap tayo ng possible entry sa resistance for a possible continuation pababa. Then, meron ding pagkakataon na umaabot siya sa Fibonacci retracement hanggang dito sa 78.6. Such as like this. Okay? 78.6 or 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. Such as like this. Okay? And then, kapag masyadong mahina yung or kapag malakas yung pullback, pwede rin siyang umabot up to this previous resistance right here sa kanyang previous high. And ito po yung ginawa ng DXY last time. Okay? So as we can see, ito po yung drawing natin. So this is the 1, 2, 3 pattern na sinasabi ko kanina sa based on our example. So this is a downtrend. So DXY is downtrending for the past couple of months or since November. Since November 2023, it is going down. And then we saw na meron siyang 1, 2, 3 pattern. So katulad po nitong example natin at the top, meron siyang nabuo na 1, 2, 3 pattern right here. And last time, if you remember or if you watch my live trading session last time, what we are expecting based on our drawing is either for the price of the DXY to go down here for its next support, or the price could react into this support level right here. Based on our drawing, as we can see, we have two expectation. The first one is for the price to go into the support At yung pangalawang expectation naman natin is magkaroon siya ng reaction dito sa support level. And then true enough, as we can see, the price did our second expectation. And based on our drawing, as we can see, the price pulled back and the price reached our, if we draw our Fibonacci retracement, the price reached our 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. So based on our example earlier, so ganun po yung ginawa niya. Okay? So based on this example, so the possibility of the price reaching the previous support or the Fibonacci retracement or the previous high is very likely. And in this example, we can see that the price reacted on the 78.6 Fibonacci level. Okay? So as we can see, on point po yung analysis natin. Hello, Joanne Yap. Ang time frame po na sinisimulan natin mag-analyze is always on the daily time frame. Okay? So as we can see, on point po yung analysis natin sa DXY last time. We are expecting for the price to react into this support level. Okay? So, sa our second expectation, I mean. Then, as we can see, the price pulled back up to this Fibonacci golden zone ratio or the Fibonacci ratio. Okay, so if we analyze this one today, so let me just remove my drawings. So if we are going to analyze this one today, so again, putting back the Fibonacci retracement, nag-react po ang DXY or yung price action sa golden Fibonacci zone. So we are now at the 78.6 Fibonacci level. And as we can see, the price is trying to make an engulfing candle, right? So based on this information that we have, last January 17, so nakakita tayo ng inverted hammer. So this is what we can call an inverted hammer, or other traders may consider this as doji. And then we also have this inverted hammer right here. So we have doji and then followed by a pin bar or an inverted hammer. Then right now the price is trying to create an engulfing candle. Okay, so this is a good chance or indication that the price will likely go down. Okay, so based on the information that we have, the price could go down like this. Okay, so again, going back sa analysis natin last time, nakita po natin yung 1, 2, 3 pattern, and then the price pulled back. And right now, we are seeing the possibility of the price continue for the price to make a continuation to the downside. Okay? So, what we can expect for this one, let me just remove the Fibonacci retracement to make the chart look cleaner. So, what we can expect for this one is for the price to maybe make a retest sa kanya pong previous low. And if we extend our support level, so we can see that this level was tested multiple times before. Okay? So, pwede po niyang, again, this is just a probability, pwede niyang i-retest itong support level down here. Okay? So, this is the possibility for the price of the DXY na gagawin niya for the coming week. So, basically, I am bearish for the DXY for the coming week. So, since December 28, end of December, nakita po natin na nagkaroon siya ng pullback. So, nagkaroon ng mga, nagkaroon siya ng bullish scenario. So, ngayon naman, after this bullish move, so we can expect for the price to make the continuation to the downside. So, after again reaching our Fibonacci zone. Alright, so this is what we can expect for the DXY for the coming week. Again, so I am bearish for the DXY as long as we are below this previous high. So ito rin po yung pwede nating bantayan para sa DXY for this week. Kapag nagkaroon siya ng breakout dito sa previous level or this previous high, then that means nagkakaroon na siya ng bullish scenario or lumalakas na po yung mga buyers. Okay? But the possibility of this price, going down is more likely. Okay? So, tumitingin po ako sa possibility ng DXY na magkakaroon siya ng continuation to the downside rather than breaking this previous resistance. Okay? So, let's see what the price will do for this coming week. So, that's what we have for the DXY. Then, we also analyze gold or the XAU USD. So last trading session, we also saw two possible scenarios here. The first one is for the price to break this resistance zone and then make a continuation to the upside. And the second scenario that we saw is for the price to just make a consolidation. Based on our drawing, so we can clearly see na ang ginawa po ng price is nag-consolidate lang siya sa loob nitong rectangle or nitong Darvas box. So as we can see, naglalaro lang siya dito sa loob nitong Darvas box. So hindi pa niya nabe-break itong resistance. So that means we can still expect for this one to consolidate for the coming week. Okay? But based on what we can see right now, so hindi niya na babalikan itong previous low right here, this previous support, hindi niya binabalikan. So as long as the price is above the support level, then we can expect for this one to continue higher. Okay? Or to continue to go higher. Kapag naman nalampasan ng price, so let me just delete this one. Kapag nalampasan ng price, itong support level down here, then that's an indication that the price is losing its esteem. Or the buyers are losing their strength. Humihina na po yung mga buyers. So pwede po tayong mag-expect ng either a breakout at the top or a breakout at the bottom of this box. But as long as we are above the support, then we can still expect for the price to just consolidate for a bit before breaking this resistance. Okay, so that's what we can see for the daily time frame. So if we go down to our 1 hour time frame, let's see kung meron po tayong opportunity na mag-trade ng or magkaroon ng day trading opportunity para sa gold. So as we can see, the 1 hour time frame is just also consolidating. So we don't have any opportunity yet. So let's wait if the price could break this trend line. Kapag nagkaroon ng breakout dito sa trend line, then this is also a good opportunity for us to take a long trade. Again, this is on a 1 hour time frame. Okay? So what we need to look into the 1 hour time frame is this channel that the price is forming. Okay? So the price formed a channel. So if the price did this, kapag ginawa ng price itong drawing natin based on what we are expecting or the possibility that the price could break this higher channel is very likely because we are just consolidating and the price is creating a channel. So kapag na-break ng price itong higher channel, then this could be a good opportunity for us to take a long trade. Okay? Again, this is on a 1 hour time frame. So this is just a day trading opportunity na nakikita po natin para sa XAU USD. All right? And then we also analyze the Bitcoin analysis last time is we are just expecting based on this drawing, as we can see, we are just expecting for the price to consolidate. But nanggulat po si Bitcoin to start the year. January 7 or 8, nagkakaroon siya ng attempt to break this top box or this resistance. And then as we can see, nagkaroon siya ng breakout. But unfortunately, the breakout failed, right? So as we can see, nag-fail yung breakout, hindi na-sustain ng mga buyers. So this is just a fake out. So and then as we can see, the price goes back down into the support level. So itong support na ina-expect natin na mag-hold siya last time here. So as we can see, the price went back down into this level. Okay? So if we analyze this one today, as you can see, kung gagamit po tayo ng Fibonacci retracement coming from this bottom, so we can see that the price could go down further up to this 50% Fibonacci level or even lower pa, which is around here. So if the price continue to go down, so this is where we can expect or the price of the Bitcoin can go. So pwede po nating asahan or i-expect na pwede siyang bumagsak either at around 36,878 level or much lower up to 33,992. Pero tingin ko po matagal pang mangyayari to, no? Because as we can see, the price is still trying to react into the support. As we can see, meron siyang pin bar. Nag-form yung pin bar around the support level. So let's see kung ano pong gagawin ng price ng Bitcoin. We can also see that the price is still trying to hang on into the support. But unfortunately, nagkaroon na rin siya ng breakout. So our previous low right here has been broken. Again, based on our lesson from the past, in the past, kapag nagkaroon na ng change of character, so that's a sign na humihina na po yung trend. So coming from an uptrend, so as we can see clearly the price of the Bitcoin came from an uptrend, and then finally the price broke its previous low right here. Okay, so this is the first sign that the price is trying to make a reversal. So if the price goes down, then we can expect a possible continuation at the downtrend like this, or pwede po tayo makakita ng possible continuation pababa since we already have this breakout sa previous low ng Bitcoin. Okay? But I am not saying that the price of Bitcoin will go down. That's not what I'm saying. I am just saying that the possibilities are there. Okay? So as we can see, coming from 49,000 yung high, yung pinaka highest high na narating ng price nitong Bitcoin is around 49,000. And then right now, it is just at around 40,000. So ang laki na po ng binaba niya. So what we are expecting again for the price of Bitcoin is to go down further, either up to 36,000 or even lower to 33,000. Okay? So we can still expect for this one to make last push to the upside because as we can see, we still have a pin bar. And based on that information, since pwede siyang magkaroon pa ng last push to the upside, then we can take advantage of that sa atin pong 1 hour time frame. And true enough, as we can see on the 1 hour time frame, so we can see na nagkakaroon na siya ng head and shoulder pattern. Okay? So sa 1 hour time frame po, meron tayong day trading opportunity. Then as we can see, the price is now trying to break its neckline. So this is the neckline that we have. And currently, we have a breakout. So this is the breakout candle. So pwedeng ito yung entry trigger ng mga breakout traders. Then our entry could be like this. Okay? So we can use our ATR indicator, or we can just put our stop loss below this previous low or below the right shoulder. Then for our target, we can aim for at least 1:1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so this is a good information or a good day trading opportunity for Bitcoin on our 1 hour time frame. Okay, so that's what we can expect for Bitcoin for this coming week. All right, so let's now go on sa atin pong 7 major pairs. So beginning with the Aussie dollar. So last trading session, ang ina-expect po natin sa Aussie dollar is for the price to react into this resistance level. So based on our drawing, last time po is nandito pa lang tayo. And then ang expectation natin is for the price to move like this. Okay? And then as we can see, the price really reacted from this resistance zone. The price started to go down and we are expecting for the price to go back down into the support. Okay? Ang na-expect natin is kapag bumalik siya dito sa support, pwedeng dito siya magkaroon ng reaction. Then after reaching the support, nag-react. Nag-react naman siya talaga. So as we can see, the price created a pin bar. Kaya lang ang problema, hindi na-sustain ng support yung level, yung price. So ang ina-expect natin is pwede siyang magkaroon ng continuation pataas. But the price didn't do that. Ang ginawa niya, so after this pin bar, as we can see, the price created another entry candle right here. If you are going to take a long trade, right? So this is a good sign that the price could go up. But as we can see right now, the price didn't respect this level. So hindi respect ng price action itong support na to, and the price even goes back down into this support level. So we are still above the support. So we are still uptrend. The uptrend is still there. So we can still expect for the price of this Aussie dollar to go up. So if we are going to analyze this one today, so clearly we can see that the price is sitting on this support level. So we can expect for the price to go up higher after pulling back from the support. So we can expect for the price to go into this resistance zone. So pwedeng bumalik yung price ng Aussie dollar up to this resistance level. And then after, let's say, nakabalik yung price ng Aussie dollar dito sa resistance level na to, which is our previous high, ang pwede niyang gawin is either magkaroon lang siya ng reaction right here, and then the price could go down, or the price could make a continuation to the upside by breaking this second resistance that we have right here. Okay? So this is the possibility na nakikita po natin sa Aussie dollar for this coming week. So for this coming week, I am bullish for the Aussie dollar. Okay? And then if we go down on our day trading time frame, so we can see that we don't have any opportunity yet for the Aussie dollar. As you can see, the price is just consolidating. So we have a trend line right here waiting to be broken. And then as we can see, the price also established a support down here. So we don't have any opportunity yet to trade the Aussie dollar on our 1 hour time frame unless we saw a breakout from this trend line. Okay? But again, for the long-term approach, we can expect for this one for the coming week to go back up and reach this first resistance before reaching this second resistance. Okay? Then for our next pair, we have euro dollar. And for euro dollar, we are also expecting na aabot siya dito sa resistance. So last time, ang itsura po niya is nandito pa lang. Okay? So last time, nandito pa lang siya. Then nag-expect tayo na aabot siya dito sa resistance zone bago siya bumalik dito sa support. Katulad po nung nakita natin sa Aussie dollar. Right? But unfortunately, the price didn't cooperate with our analysis. As we can see, the price immediately pulled back. So after analyzing that the price could go higher and reach this resistance, the price immediately pulled back after reaching this level. And then the price is sitting on this support right now. And if we use our Fibonacci retracement tool, so we can see that the price is just sitting at the 61.8 and 78.6 Fibonacci level. Okay, so the price is now at an important zone, so we can expect for this one to react right here. And if we extend our support level, so we can see that this level or this zone was tested multiple times before. So we can expect, since na nandito siya sa support, and as we can see clearly, meron po tayong mga candlestick pattern. So we have a pin bar right here and an engulfing candle right here. And right now, the price is trying to create another engulfing candle. So if the price or if the support is strong, then we can expect for the price of euro dollar to go higher. Again, like what we have from the Aussie dollar, so we have this first resistance right here. And for our second resistance, we have it right here at the bottom. Okay, so I am bullish for this coming week for the euro dollar. So the price could go back up into this level on our first resistance. And as we can see, we also have this 1, 2, 3 pattern. Okay, so the price created a pullback and the price pulled back on our Fibonacci zone. And right now, the price has a chance or merong possibility na magkakaroon siya ng continuation na magkakaroon siya ng continuation pataas. Okay? So this is what we can see or what we can expect for our daily time frame. So going down on our day trading time frame, so just like what we have on the Aussie dollar, the price is just consolidating. But if we are going to take a look at this 1, 2, 3 pattern, so the bigger picture, if we take a look at the bigger picture, so we have at 1, 2, 3 pattern at the bottom or to the downside, I mean, and then the price pull back. And if we use our Fibonacci tool, the price reached the 61.8 and 78.6 Fibonacci level as well on our 1 hour time frame, right? So based on this information, pwede po nating expect na magkaroon ng movement to the downside itong euro dollar for the 1 hour time frame. So since we are on the resistance zone, since we are on the Fibonacci zone, then we can expect for this one to go down. And then the price could go down, could go back down into these levels right here. So this is the first support that the price could go down. Okay, here on our 1 hour time frame. All right. So that's what we can expect for the euro dollar. All right. So for our next pair, we have pound dollar, and for the pound dollar, just like what we what we are expecting from the euro dollar, ang ina-expect po natin sa kanya last time is magkakaroon siya ng breakout dito sa resistance at mararating niya tong second resistance above. But the price just consolidated. So last time, nandito pa lang tayo. And then we are expecting for the possibility of the price to break this resistance. But the price didn't break it, right? The price is still below this resistance zone. The price didn't break the previous high or this previous high that we draw here. And then as we can see, the price is still above this support. So basically, this is just a Darvas box, right? So we have a Darvas box on our or here on the pound dollar. So what we can just expect here or do here is to wait. So we can trade pound dollar right now. We can just wait for it for the price to either break the top or the bottom of the box. Okay? Kapag nagkaroon ng breakout, as usual, kapag nagkaroon ng breakout sa top box or sa previous high, then we can expect na magkakaroon siya ng continuation pabalik dito sa resistance zone. Or pwede rin naman siyang magkaroon ng breakout dito sa previous support or sa previous low. Then pwede siyang magkaroon ng continuation pababa, pabalik dito sa support na meron tayo dito sa ilalim. And this is an important structure level. As we can see, this was tested multiple times as well. Okay, so this resistance zone was also tested multiple times before. So this is just, or these are the possibilities for the pound dollar. Either a breakout from the top box or a breakdown from the bottom of the box. Okay, and if you go down on our 1 hour time frame, let's see if we have a day trading opportunity here. As you can see, the price created a 1, 2, 3 pattern, and the price is now pulling back. So if the price pull back on our important zones such as the Fibonacci retracement or Fibonacci zone. So let's see if the price could go back down into the support. Kapag bumalik po yung price ng pound dollar dito sa support level on our 1 hour time frame, then we can expect for the price to make a continuation to the upside. Okay? Or a small reaction. Pwedeng pwedeng continuation or pwedeng small reaction lang. So based on what we can see, I guess small reaction lang yung gagawin ng price kapag bumalik siya dito sa support level, because as we can see, the price already broke its previous lows right here, right? So as you can see, the price break this level or broke this level, and we can also see that the price just barely broke this previous low right here. Then the price goes up again, and the price is now pulling back on our Fibonacci zone. Okay? As you can see, the pattern are just similar. Yung mga pattern po na tinitignan natin to trade ay pare-parehas lang, right? Whether we are trading on the daily time frame o kung nagte-trade man tayo sa 1 hour time frame, is pare-parehas lang po yung mga patterns na tinitignan natin. Okay? So based on the information that we have again for the pound dollar, we can expect a slight bounce off of this support level. All right, so this is what we can expect for the pound dollar. But on long-term view, again, we are just on a sideways. So let's just wait if the price could break either the resistance or the support level ng Darvas box. All right, so that's what we have for the pound dollar. And for our next pair, we have New Zealand dollar. And here for the New Zealand dollar, we have the same analysis from Aussie dollar. So last time, nandito pa lang po yung price ng New Zealand dollar, and we are expecting na kapag umabot siya dito sa resistance level is magkakaroon siya ng movement to the downside, and then once na nakabalik siya dito sa support is pwede siyang magkaroon ulit ng reaction pabalik naman dito sa resistance. And then as we can see, true enough, the price reacted from this resistance zone, and then the price goes down, right? So tama yung unang analysis natin, which is kapag umabot siya dito sa resistance, bababa siya pabalik dito sa support. And then as we can see, right after hitting the support level, the price created an entry candlestick pattern. Okay, right? Then as we can see, nag-hold lang itong support na to. But unfortunately, the price didn't respected, or the price didn't respect this support level at all. As you can see, the price broke it, and the price is now right here. And if we take a look at the previous low, the price even broke this level, right? So this is an indication that the uptrend is starting to lose its steam, right? So kapag nakakita po tayo ng breakout sa previous low ng uptrend, then that means pwede na magkaroon ng reversal. And if we are going to analyze this one today, so we can expect for the price to make another push or last push to the upside before making a continuation to the downside. Okay? So what we can expect for this one is to go back up from this resistance zone. And if we use our Fibonacci retracement, then we can see that this resistance zone is lining up with our 50% Fibonacci retracement. Okay, and if we extend our resistance, so this was tested multiple times before. So this is a pretty strong resistance zone. Okay, so this is what we can expect for the New Zealand dollar for these coming weeks. Okay, but this next few days, pwede siyang umakyat pa. So bullish pa rin ako sa New Zealand dollar for this coming days hanggang maabot niya itong resistance zone. Okay? But once the price reach this resistance level, then I will not look for a possible continuation to the upside. Rather, I will look for an opportunity to take a short trade. Okay? So this is what we can expect for the New Zealand dollar long term. But on our 1 hour time frame, so we can expect for the price of the New Zealand dollar to go up. And then as you can see, the price already broke previous resistance right here. So we have a double bottom, right? So we have a double bottom right here. Then the price broke its first neckline or its first resistance. And then as we can see, the price is now approaching, or the price already approached this second resistance right here. So if you want to trade this New Zealand dollar on this 1 hour time frame, so we can expect or we can wait for a pullback dito sa previous support or dito sa previous resistance that could turn into support level. Kapag naman lumampas siya dito, then we can use our Fibonacci retracement. So mas malalim pa, no? Kapag lumampas siya dito sa support, then pwede siyang pumulbak hanggang dito sa Fibonacci golden zone. So medyo malayo-layo pa po yung ibababa ng New Zealand dollar kapag nagkataon. Because as we can see, it is reacting here on this resistance level right here. Okay? So again, this is on our 1 hour time frame analysis. Okay? So what we can expect for this one is to make movement like this on our 1 hour time frame. All right, so that's what we can see for the New Zealand dollar. So for our next pair, we have dollar loonie or dollar Canada. Okay, so for the dollar Canada, so we are expecting for the price to pull back hanggang marating niya po itong previous support. So this is a previous resistance that turned into support right here. And then last time, we are just, if I'm not mistaken, nandito tayo last time. Then since we are right here, we are expecting na aabot yung price dito sa previous support, right? So basically, ang ginawa ng price is right after creating a low right here, so nag-create siya ng low around this level. Then, dun siya nag-start ng retracement pabalik sa taas. So hindi niya inabot itong support level. And if we are going to analyze this one today, so we can see that we have a 1, 2, 3 pattern and the price pull back, right? Then, after pulling back into this previous support, so this previous support acted as a resistance. So ito po yung sinasabi natin kanina, right? So the previous support acted as a new resistance, and then as we can see, the price created a pin bar or an inverted hammer, right? And then right after reaching this resistance, the price reacted into it. At ngayon po, ang nakikita po natin na gagawin ng dollar Canada is a possible continuation to the downside. So pwede na siyang bumalik pababa dito sa previous support. So what we can expect for the price is to go back down here into the support level. Okay? So ito po yung nakikita nating possibility na gagawin ng dollar Canada for this coming week. So having said that, I am bearish for the dollar Canada for this coming week on our long-term view. On our 1 hour time frame, let's see what do we have here. So we also have the opportunity to take a short trade on our 1 hour time frame. Okay, so if we use our Fibonacci tool coming from our previous high, so the price reacted clearly on our 61.8 Fibonacci level. Okay, so kitang-kita po na sa 61.8 siya nag-react, and then na-break niya itong previous low right here. So kung iti-trade po natin ang dollar Canada right now, looking at the 1 hour time frame, so kaka-breakout niya pa lang po dito sa previous support. So let's see kung ano po yung susunod na gagawin nito. So I am expecting a possible continuation to the downside. Okay, on our 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is what we can expect for the dollar Canada. Then for our next pair, we have dollar Swiss. So sa dollar Swiss po, counter trend po yung analysis natin dito last time. So last webinar, ang expectation natin is, if I'm not mistaken, we are uh, right here last time. We are right here. Then we saw this support level last time, right? Then what we expect last time is pwede siyang mag-react dito sa support. So that's why I said na counter trend po yung analysis natin sa dollar Swiss, or yung expectation natin is counter trend last time, because we are expecting that the price could react into the support level and then the price could make a push to the upside until it reach this first resistance. Then kapag tinamaan niya itong first resistance, pwede siyang magkaroon ng continuation pababa. Right? So ito po yung ine-expect natin sa dollar Swiss. But as we can see, so tama naman po yung unang analysis natin na kapag tumama siya dito sa support is magre-retrace siya pataas. So tama po tayo doon. But the price didn't respect this first resistance. So at first, the price is reacting into it. So as we can see, the price is creating this inverted hammer. Then the price again retested it, and then the price created a doji. So nung nakita ko po itong pattern na to, then ang iniisip ko is pwede na siyang magkaroon ng continuation pababa. So tumama tayo dito sa support, pero hindi ni-respect ng price itong first resistance. Rather, ang ginawa ng price is bumalik siya sa kanyang previous support. Then, this second resistance right here that we saw last time, ay dun siya nagsimulang magkaroon ng reaction pababa. And then clearly, as we can see, the price is creating an engulfing candle, right? So if we are going to analyze this one right now, this previous support became resistance, right? And then, as we can see, the price reacted into it by creating candlestick patterns such as pin bar and doji. And then right now, the price is creating this huge big red candle, or this huge red candle, which we can call an engulfing candle, right? So having all this information, so what we can expect for the dollar Swiss for the coming week is for the price to create a continuation to the downside again. Okay, the price could return into this support, into this previous low. So galing dito sa resistance, pwede siyang bumaba pabalik dito sa support. Alright, so this is what you can expect for the dollar Swiss long-term view. But on our 1 hour time frame, the price came from an uptrend, right? So beginning from this low, the price created an uptrend. So as we can see, we have multiple 1, 2, 3 patterns right here. And then right now, the price is, or the price already broke this previous low, right? So again, based on our lesson, if the price is breaking a previous support on an uptrend, then this is probably a start of a reversal. Okay, so what we can expect for the dollar Swiss on our 1 hour time frame is for the price to create a downtrend pattern, or we can expect for the price na magkaroon siya ng movement na ganito. Okay, so the price can make another final push to the upside, and then the price could go down afterwards. Okay, so let's see if the price could complete this pattern to the downside. If not, then the price could just consolidate. Right? Kapag hindi tayo nakakita ng pattern na ganito, then let's just avoid trading dollar Swiss at the moment. Okay? So that's what we can see for the dollar Swiss, or that's what we can expect. Again, I am bearish for the coming week for the dollar Swiss. All right, and then for our final pair, we have dollar yen. And for dollar yen, what we saw last time is the possibility that the price could either go down into the support or the price could react based on our drawing. The price could react into our 61.8 and 78.6 Fibonacci level, and then the price could start going back up after reaching this level. Okay? So yun po yung nakita natin last time based on our drawing. So last time is we are just right here, and then we are expecting that the price could either break this level and then the price could go back into the support, or the price could create this pattern. This pwedeng mag-react yung support dito sa Fibonacci retracement, and then pwede niyang ma-break itong resistance na nakita natin dito, and then pwede siyang bumalik dito sa resistance, dito sa highest high. Then if we take a look at it today, clearly the price reacted based on our expectation, right? So the price really reacted from this Fibonacci zone, right? And then as we can see, the price broke this resistance level. This horizontal level right here has been broken, and the price is now sitting at this level, and the price is yet to return into this resistance. So we are still expecting that possibility. So if we are going to analyze this one today, so as we can see, nangyari naman po yung ina-expect natin na break nitong resistance level, but we are yet to return into this highest high. So right now we are just on a sideways. So we have huge 1 2 3 pattern, or yes, a big 1 2 3 pattern here on the dollar yen. Then we are just on a continuation phase right now. So that's why ang expectation ko is aabot po siya dito sa highest high or sa kanyang previous high, right? So but right now the price is just consolidating. We just have a big Darvas box. Okay? So we can either wait for the price to break the top box or this previous low. Okay? So let's see kung ano pong gagawin ng dollar yen for this coming week. So we can either wait for the price to break this level, katulad ng nakita natin sa pound dollar, right? Ganito rin po yung ina-expect natin sa pound dollar. So the price could either break this top box or this bottom box, just like what we have from the pound dollar. Okay? So we have the same scenario from pound dollar and this one. Okay? So this is what we can see or what we can expect for the dollar yen for the coming week. So I am not bullish nor bearish. Let's just wait kung ano pong gagawin niya kasunod. But on our 1 hour time frame, let's see if we have any opportunity to day trade. So as we can see, the price recently broke out this resistance zone right here, right? Then the price is just consolidating and we don't have any opportunity. So the price is just consolidating on our 1 hour time frame. So kapag po ganito yung nakikita nating galaw ng price action, better to avoid it. Okay? Ang dapat po na makita natin is a clean structure like this. Okay? So this is a clean 1 2 3 pattern. Then this previous resistance clearly became support, right? So ito po yung gusto nating makita. And right now we don't have it. The price is just consolidating. So let's just avoid trading dollar yen for now on the 1 hour time frame. So we don't have any opportunity unless the price created another opportunity to go long here from this support. So that's the only possibility na nakikita ko po dito sa dollar yen. So we have the support level, and right now the price is sitting on the support. So let's see if the price could react into this support level on our 1 hour time frame. Okay, so let's see. But as of the moment, so let's just pause and let's just wait if the price will give us any opportunity. Okay, alright. So I hope marami po kayong natutunan sa ating trading session for today. So before we end, we are now on our Q&A session. So if you have any question, pwede po kayong magtanong sa ating live chat box and I will answer your questions as much as I can. Okay, so any question? Hello, Joanne Yap. So, sa so far sa ngayon po wala pa pong, trading class na naka-focus para sa Pilipinas. So, kung gusto niyo po na ah, magkaroon ng idea kung paano mag-trade or kung gusto niyo lang na, manood ng, trading lesson, so puwede niyo pong i-explore yung, YouTube channel ni Octa. So, sa Octa, meron po tayong mga webinars dito. Kung prefer niyo po ng Tagalog, meron po sa playlist. Then hanapin niyo lang po yung, Tagalog webinars. So ito po, yung isa sa mga TAGLISH webinar. So ito po is, from lesson 1, okay? From lesson 1, so beginning po siya sa Introduction to Forex. Then as you can see, hanggang lesson 6 po siya ng beginner lesson, here, right here. And then after the beginner lesson, magsisimula naman po yung, lesson 1 ni Sir Michael, okay? Then yung lesson 1 ni Sir Michael is all about, um, advanced concept, okay? So sa akin po is about the basic, ideas ng forex trading. Then after the basic ideas, magsisimula naman po yung advanced concept with Sir Michael, okay? So both lessons, we have 6 lessons for each, lesson para sa beginner lesson and advanced lesson. So both 6 lessons. So total 12 lessons po, okay? So kung medyo magulo pa rin po, ang masa-suggest ko lang po is just to practice. So, lahat naman po tayo nag-start ng nahihirapan 'no, wala naman pong nag-start ng marunong na kaagad. So kung, ulitin ko lang po yung kwento ko before, so para rin po magkaroon ng idea yung iba at para rin po makapag-encourage. So, nung nagsisimula pa lang po ako mag-trade is nasunog po yung buong account ko in just 2 days. So gano'n po ako nagsimula mag-trade. So, as you can see, base po do'n sa kuwento na 'yon is hindi rin naman po tayo nagsimula ng marunong agad, right? So, naguluhan na rin po tayo nung una at, wala pong nagtuturo sa'kin no'n at ito po yung advantage na binibigay ni Octa. Meron na pong mga tao na katulad namin na nagbibigay po ng lesson and all of these are for free, right? Kaya i-take advantage po natin yung, opportunity na binibigay ni Octa. Okay? So, Ma'am Joanne, ang masa-suggest ko lang po is to, practice. So, dito po sa lesson 2, if I'm not mistaken, dito ko po tinuro yung how to create your own strategy. Then sa lesson 3 naman po, trading analysis naman. So, dito po pinag-aralan po natin lahat 'yan. Okay? So, wag po kayong tatamarin kung nahihirapan po kayo. So, lahat naman po nagsimula ng gano'n. Practice lang po, makukuha niyo rin po 'yan. So, siguro po mga 3 to 6 months na pag-aaral, sigurado po ako meron na po kayong mastery nun. Then after, siguro po 3 to 6 months demo or yes, 3 to 6 months demo, then Kapag feel niyo po na medyo may mastery na kayo, then puwede na po kayong mag-deposit ng small amount para po ma-try niyo po kung gumagana yung strategy na pinag-aralan niyo ng 6 months, okey? So, sa experience ko po gano'n yung ginawa ko 'no. Hello po, Florence, Jane. Thank you for your comment at, thank you for your honesty na medyo magulo yung candlestick pattern 'no. So, kapag ang pinag-uusapan po natin is candlestick pattern, ang ko po is focus on the, basics. So, ang basic po ng candlestick is, meron po siyang, opening and closing. Ito po yung tinatawag nating body, right? So, kapag green candle, nag-o-open siya sa baba, then nagko-close siya sa taas. Then meron siyang, wick, right? You're welcome po, Joanne, yap. Then ito po yung basic ng candlestick. Kapag pula naman, o-open siya sa taas, then nagko-close siya sa baba. So, I'm sure alam niyo naman na po 'to 'no. Pagdating naman po sa, candlestick pattern, ang ko po na pag-aralan niyo is yung mga common. So, mag-start po tayo sa pin bar. So, kapag po pin bar, ang itsura po niya is meron siyang maliit na, body and then mahabang wick kapag bullish pin bar. Kapag bearish pin bar naman po is meron siyang maliit na body and then mahabang wick sa taas, okay? Then, magagamit niyo po itong mga candlestick pattern na 'to sa, important levels. So, balik po tayo dun sa sample natin sa Aussie dollar kanina. So, sa Aussie dollar, as you can see, ang analysis po natin last time is kapag umabot yung price dito sa resistance. So, let me just use the replay tool. Kapag umabot siya dito sa resistance, ang ine-expect po natin is bababa siya, right? So, kapag umabot siya dito, pwede siyang magkaroon ng reaction pababa. Okay? Then, if we play this one, syempre, unang-una, hindi po tayo magte-trade blindly, right? Hindi po tayo magte-trade na basta nakita natin yung price na nasa resistance na is i-short na natin. So, ang pwede po natin gawin is maghintay po nung price action or ng candlestick pattern. And then, based on this example, as we can see, meron po tayong body na hindi siya perfect, no? So, again, always remember na wala pong perfect scenario sa trading. But this is what we can consider a pin bar. Okay? So, meron siyang maliit na body and then meron siyang mahabang wick. Then as we can see, after creating this pin bar, the price started to fall. Okay? Doon siya nag-start na bumaba. So, yun po yung ibig sabihin ng candlestick pattern. Pwede rin pong gumamit tayo ng engulfing. So, ang engulfing naman po is yung mas malaki yung candle, let's say downtrend. Let's say nasa downtrend tayo. Then, after pulling back, so let's say nag-pull back tayo dito sa resistance level, this sa previous support. Then, let's say na meron siyang green candle. So, let's say meron siyang green candle. Oops, sorry. Then, after the green candle, nagkaroon siya ng kasunod na big red candle like this. So, sabihin na lang natin na ganito, yung example. So, kapag nagkaroon tayo ng big red candle na nalampasan niya yung body, yung body nitong green candle, kapag ganito yung itsura ng red candle, so this is what we can call an engulfing candle. And this is also an entry candlestick pattern. Okay? So, based po dun sa example natin kanina, so let's see if I'm not mistaken sa New Zealand dollar. So, meron tayong engulfing. No. Let's see here sa dollar Canada or dollar Swiss. Okay, so here's a dollar Swiss. So this is what we can call an engulfing candle. So clearly, as we can see, the price is engulfing the whole previous green candle. Right? Nilampasan niya. Nilampasan niya yung buong green candle. Pero hindi pa po tapos to, no? May 8 hours pa. 8 hours and 54 minutes. So, let's say na mag-close siya ng ganito. Then, this is exactly what we call an engulfing candle. Okay? Kapag po natapos itong red candle ng ganito yung itsura niya, then this is an indication that the price could go down. So, that's why ang expectation natin sa dollar Swiss for the coming week is to go down. Okay? So, yun po yung different candlestick patterns sa pwede nyong pag-aralan. Okay? So, any question po? I hope nakakatulong po yung sagot ko dun sa tanong, no? Alright, so last question po before we end. Oh, by the way, before I forget, meron pong nag-send sa atin ng private message. Ang pangalan po niya is si Sir Eman. Then, ang question po niya, share ko lang po yung tanong ni Sir Eman. So, ito po yung tanong ni Sir Eman. So, meron pong nag-send sa atin ng private message. Again, his name is Eman. Then, sabi niya, napanood ko yung trading session nyo where you correctly analyzed 9 out of 10 pairs. Then, pwede nyo po ba kaming turuan kung paano nyo nagagawa yon? Then, nagtanong rin siya kung merong mentoring. Unfortunately, wala po tayong mentoring. Ang meron lang po tayo is previous webinar sa channel ni Octa and here. Okay? Tulad nga po nung sabi ko kanina. So, going back sa tanong ni Sir Eman, napanood ko yung trading session nyo where you correctly analyze 9 out of 10 pairs. Then, pwede nyo po ba kaming turuan kung paano nyo nagagawa yon? So, yung nakikita nyo po kung paano ako nag-analyze ng currency sa ating live trading session weekly, yung nakikita nyo po na ginagawa nating analysis, yun na po yung personal trading style ko. So, yung tanong po kung pwede ko kayong turuan is ito na po yun, no? Wala po tayong sekreto dito, wala po tayong tinatago dito. Lahat po ng nakikita po ninyo kung paano po tayo nag-analyze sa ating live trading session weekly, yun na po yun. Nagkataon lang po talaga na 9 out of 10 pairs po yung naging tama natin last time. So, I believe ang sinasabi po ni Sir Eman is yung analysis po natin na I believe previous 2 webinars or last 3 kung di po ako nagkakamali. So, sa 10 analysis po natin, 9 pairs po yung tumama. Okay? So again, wala naman pong sikreto dito kung ano po yung nakikita po ninyo na kung paano ako nag-a-analyze weekly. So yun na po yun. Yung mga tinuro ko po dito sa trading camp, yun na rin po yun. Kaya ito pong tinatanong ni Sir Eman, kung nanonood man po kayo, ito pong tanong nyo na kung pwede ko po ba kayong turuan kung paano ko nagawa tong 9 out of 10. Ito na po yun. Kung paano ko po ina-analyze yung market weekly. So yun na po yun, no? Then kung gusto niyo po siyang matutunan pa ng mas masinsinan, then I suggest panoorin niyo po yung trading camp ni Octa. So dedicated po talaga 'to para sa mga Filipino traders, no? As you can see, Tagalog pa po yung language namin ni Sir Michael dito. Okay? So to answer your question again, Sir Eman, so eto na po 'yun kung paano ko po siya ginagawa weekly. Then if you want to learn more, then just watch Octa Trading Camp. All right? So I think that's it for our trading session for today. So again, salamat po sa mga nag-join at salamat po sa mga nagpa-participate. Ma'am Joanne Yap and Ma'am Florence Jane. Salamat po sa pag-participate sa ating trading session for today. So alright, so again, kita po tayo ulit next week. My name is Paul Mendoza, your trading analyst. Bye!